Today, what you're about to experience has the power to transform your life for good. You believe it, you gain, you don't, you may lose as usual, but if you do, the very first thing you need to realize that there are no one in these time helps or cry for none, as well as you, for yourself. If you do so, have give a thought why the things are not moving as you wish to be. Let me welcome you to know in few minutes why, and how to transform it to your life with these powerful manifestation open secrets in this unique video, which will change your life forever only to the best of your choice. I bet whoever follow these steps for just few weeks with fully committed dedications surely will witness changes beyond their expectations. Anybody who needs to change his life, the very first thing to do is to analyze themselves with deep concern. Let us start the journey together. The first step need to do is to grab a pen and a paper and write down, remember until and unless a pen and a paper starts writing your life, and the story will be just a blank paper. So I insist, write down about yourself. Write down what is good in you and what is bad, so you know what need to stop immediately and what need to rebuild no one but yourself. Now close your eyes and imagine your dream life. Imagine as if it's already happening. Be specific. On your imagination that I have a fulfilling career, I have enough money to live well, I have enough food to eat joyfully every day, I am living in my dream home, I am surrounded just by love. I am only surrounded by the good people and good things. I am only grateful to my lovable life and its essence. Now take a deep breath, open your eyes slowly, and write down hereafter. Exactly the imagination you made, friends. Speak to your future by yourself is not your current reality, but it is what you're going to build. Give a minute while you need to do so. Look around you. Every jobs we do, everything we say, what we find is instruction in some manner. Even the God gives us book, which is full of his words and its instruction to the humankind to follow, isn't it? This what I am saying to the power of words. That's the power will change you forever. Long year ago, I was at my lowest, lost, uncertain, and stuck in debts, when I only saw the darkness everywhere. At some point, I decided to try something different to make my position better. But the more I try, the more I went behind. One day, I was standing beside the metro station near the entrance and having a loose coffee. In the early morning, the station gate was going to be open in 10 minutes. I was waiting. Suddenly, I saw a group of gypsy women came. I found they are discussing in between them who is going to stand where and how they do. One of the women, probably the team leader of them, listened to everyone soundly and rearranged them after everyone's opinion. Immediately I got stand and I said myself, this is what I am not doing. A plan based on an analyze by myself as if I am the leader of mine. That day I feel warm inside me. I came home and took a long shower and some food then. I sit and write in a paper of myself. I made my own analyses report and I wrote my dreams down, even though I was confused about its outcome in reality. I didn't even believe in it at first, but I made a promise by myself, will not stop until I reach my goal. In few months, I never trust what is going to happen next, which was just remarkable. With my full commitment to those dream achievement and my full dedication, without realizing it, my subconscious mind began working toward those goals. Today, I am living the life I envisioned, which I worked for. Don't you want to know why does this work? Let me inform you with your honor. Your mind doesn't distinguish between reality and what you tell it. When you visualize your dreams and infuse them with emotion, your mind aligns your actions with those desires. Stop reliving pain and heartbreak. Focus instead on what you want to create. Evaluate your environment. What you watch, listen to, and the people you surround yourself with shape your reality. Make choices that support your growth. If you're in a toxic situation, prioritize self-growth and distance yourself from negativity. Here's a powerful tool you do. Create a vision video. Collect images of the life you want. luxury, love, health, success, and pair them with affirmations like, I am successful, or I am living my dream life. Watch this daily, morning and night. This conditions your mind to embrace those realities. Here is a positive tool for all of you. I had made and published a video with all the above visionary image and words. What you need to visualize, you find here in this channel of that video, as named How to Make Your Subconscious Mind at Work, and it's free for you. Find your available language copy and listen daily 3 times in the morning and 3 times before you go to bed, with complete faith and commitment to work on it. My friends, remember, consistency is the key. Pair the visualization with action. If you want to be a model, apply to agencies. If you want success, take steps toward it. Opportunities will align with your effort, but you must stay committed. Remember, the journey never been smooth, but very much possible. You may lose some people or situations that no longer align with your growth. Embrace yourself, the discomfort, knowing it leads to a better version of yourself. I believe you deserve the life you dream of. Show gratitude for what you have and for the blessings coming your way. When opportunities knock to you, say yes. The universe rewards those who are open to receiving and giving. You are powerful. You can create your reality. Start today. Visualize, act, believe, and your life will transform in ways you never imagined. Friends, you who had traveled this journey with me till to the end point, hope you don't forget to subscribe this channel. As my reward from you, if you feel this journey should be spread to the greater interest of the humankind, then like and share it. And have your comments as if it's your moral responsibility to build a healthy society. At the end, I will wait with hope to listen your success story at earliest time. Don't keep me waiting too long. Thank you for listening.